So we're currently in Manchester on a project called Bridgewater Wharf. It's an 8-storey apartment block with roughly about 400 apartments, and we're currently installing the self-adhesive fire-rated Trestard window tape.
When we seal a window detail between the window and the sheeting board, or a sheeting board, the SFS detail from the sheeting board down to the concrete, we normally have a detail where there's quite a lot of building movement, and it's a quite detailed area where you want to make it airtight and watertight at the same time. Previously we used materials like EPDM and materials like that, but since the fire regulations we cannot use these materials anymore. The issue with the materials we replace this for are normally quite sturdy or not stretchable enough, and therefore becomes very difficult to detail, or it's too sturdy so it will not absorb any building movement. Therefore we developed Trestard. It's actually a very easy product to work with, as it comes straight from the roll. You basically just measure the width you want to use, unroll it, cut the side width you want, and then it comes fully self-adhesive, so we'll stick straight to the substrate. Then the backing paper comes in 3 parts, so you just choose whatever part you want to stick down first, remove your applicator strip, and then you stick it straight down to the window frame, down to the sheeting board, or you go from the sheeting board straight to the concrete, and just remove the remaining backing strip, stick it down to make it perfectly watertight and airtight. And the key thing with Trestard is that it's a very flexible material, very stretchable material, and at the same time it is self-adhesive. The benefit of being a self-adhesive product is it will make you work about 3 times as quicker than previously with rubber and glue, and at the same time you can be very detailed and tidy into the corners.
The reason we've used the Trestard system is it's just quicker, easier to install, more efficient. The old system with the mastic and stuff like that, you can see on a machine now, they were covered in it, you had to pay for cleaning charges and things like that. So yeah, it's a much better system to use.